Good morning students, welcome to our today's online session. As you all know, we have already started our revision session. So today in this revision class, we are going to discuss some formal letter. So the formal letter that we are going to discuss is the letter to the editor. Just like any other formal letter, letter to editor is also having a format. The format of the letter is, what is the format of a formal letter? First, you have to write the sender's address. Sender's address only. No need to write sender's name. Then you have to write the date in a formal way. So sender's address you wrote, then you left on line, then you wrote the date. After writing the date, next what you have to write is the receiver's address. So here we are writing the letter to the editor. So who is the receiver? The editor. So in receiver's address, write the editor, then the newspaper's name, then the place. So we wrote from address, left on line, then you wrote the date, then you left on line, then you wrote the receiver's address, the editor, Times of India or something, then the date. After that, you are going to write the subject of the letter. So you will write SUB subject, then full colon, a hyphen, then you have to write the subject very compact, in a very compact way, very precise. It shouldn't be a whole sentence. Okay, so write the subject. Then you can leave one line again. So from address, sender's address without sender's name, then you wrote the date, then you wrote the receiver's address. After that you wrote the subject. After leaving one line after subject, now you are going to write the salutation. What is the salutation for letter to the editor? The salutation that you can write is Dear Sir or Madam or Sir. So this is the salutation that you have to write there in the letter to the editor. Write the salutation Sir, Dear Sir or Madam or Sir. Then comes the body of the letter. Just like any other letter, paragraphing is very important. So in this letter to the editor, we are going to make 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs. So what should come in the first paragraph? In the first paragraph, you have to introduce the problem. So you will be putting forward some problem. You will be trying to bring some problem into somebody else's attention. So there you have to mention the problem in the first paragraph. So try to include only 2 or 3 sentences in the first paragraph. Try to bring the problem in 2 or 3 sentences in the first paragraph. Then in the second paragraph, you have to write the causes and consequences of the problem. So whatever you want to talk, whatever problem that you want to bring to the attention of the authority, whatever problem you want to bring to the attention of the public, those problems you can narrate, you can write in the second paragraph. After writing the second paragraph, now we will conclude. So the conclusion should come in the third paragraph or the last paragraph. So in that paragraph, you can give your opinions. You can suggest some solutions. So all these opinions, suggestions, solution, everything should come in the third or the last paragraph. So that is the body of the letter. First paragraph, you will introduce the problem or you will introduce whatever is given in the question. Second paragraph, you will discuss in detail about the problem. There you will discuss about the causes and consequences of the problem. And in the last paragraph, you will conclude by giving your opinion or some suggestion or some solution. After writing the third paragraph, now what you are going to write is concluding clause or subscription. Yours sincerely, yours truly, yours truthfully, all these things could be used as a subscription. Then you write the center's name in capital letter. So this goes as a format of a formal letter. So center's address without center's name, date, receiver's address, it's the editor, newspaper's name, place, then subject, then salutation. Then after the salutation, you write the content in different paragraphs. First paragraph will include the introduction of the problem or introduction of the question given over there. Then you will write the causes, consequences, other details in the next paragraph, and the final paragraph, last paragraph, will be the conclusion with your opinion, with your suggestion, with your solution. And subscription, yours truly, yours sincerely, yours truthfully, etc., etc. Then you will write the center's name. So this is the letter to the editor. Since we have studied it earlier, I am just rushing through it. So we are just recalling the letter to the editor, and the mistake students usually makes is, here we will get a problem and we are finding some solution, or we are trying to get the attention of the authority or the public. That is letter to the editor. But when students write the letter to the editor, they have a habit of taking or trying to get the attention of the editor or requesting the editor to find a solution for this problem. Always remember, the editor is just a channel or a media to bring or to put forward the problem to the public or to bring the problem to the attention of the authority. So the editor is just a channel or a media. The editor is not the authority who has to take action. So this is the mistake students usually makes when they are writing a letter to the editor. So keep this in your mind. You are not getting, or you are not trying to get the attention of the editor. Instead, you are trying to get the attention of the public or the authority who is responsible to take action. The editor is simply the media or the channel through which we are trying to get the other person's attention. So remember this when you are writing letter to the editor. I hope you understood or you recalled what all points you have already studied. So this is what we have for today. Till we meet in our next session, take care, be safe, bye bye.